Bitcoin, the world's first decentralized digital currency, has been making headlines for over a decade. Created in 2009 by an unknown individual or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin has grown to become the most valuable and widely used cryptocurrency in the world. This video aims to provide an in-depth understanding of Bitcoin, including its history, features, and potential implications. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that uses cryptography to secure and verify transactions on its network. Unlike traditional currencies, which are controlled by central banks and governments, Bitcoin is controlled by its users. Transactions are recorded on a public digital ledger called the blockchain, which is maintained by a network of users known as miners. One of the key features of Bitcoin is that it is a finite resource. Only 21 million bitcoins will ever be created, with approximately 18.9 million currently in circulation. This scarcity is intended to give the currency value similar to gold or other precious metals. Another key feature of Bitcoin is its decentralization. This means that there is no single point of failure in the system, and it is resistant to censorship and manipulation. Bitcoin can be used to purchase a wide variety of goods and services, both online and in physical stores. However, it is important to note that not all businesses accept Bitcoin as a form of payment, and its use as a currency is still relatively limited compared to traditional currencies. One of the main criticisms of Bitcoin is its volatility. The value of the currency can fluctuate dramatically in a short period of time, making it a risky investment. Additionally, the lack of regulation and oversight has led to concerns about its use for illegal activities, such as money laundering and drug trafficking. Bitcoin mining, which is the process of adding new transactions to the blockchain and maintaining the integrity of the network, is a complex and resource-intensive task. It requires specialized hardware and software, and consumes a large amount of electricity. Due to the increasing difficulty of mining, it has become more centralized, with a small number of large mining pools controlling a significant portion of the network's hash rate. Bitcoin, as the first decentralized digital currency, has the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems. With its finite supply and decentralized control, Bitcoin offers a new way to think about money and finance. However, it also has its own set of challenges, including volatility and potential for illegal activities. The future of Bitcoin and other digital currencies remains uncertain, but it's clear that they have already had a significant impact on the way we think about money. It's worth noting that Bitcoin is not the only digital currency available. There are many other alternatives, like Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, etc. Each of them has its own features and use cases. As technology continues to evolve, and more people become familiar with these new forms of currency, we may see a shift away from traditional financial systems and towards decentralized, digital alternatives. Despite its many challenges, Bitcoin and other digital currencies have the potential to change the way we think about money and finance.